to the channel. Today we're going to be running a 0 to 60 test again in the Jeep, but this time with the Whipple Supercharger on it. So we're going to run that back when we did this a few months ago. And I believe a few months ago, I'll double check, but I believe we ran like a 6.32 or 6.37 around that range. I don't expect a huge difference, maybe a second off of it, but we're going to see. Main thing is if we can get traction when we take off. We're going to run it in the same setup as we did before, 4-wheel drive, traction control on, nothing changing, and see what we get. So stay tuned here, about to get this started. All right guys, about to do this 0 to 60. We're in 4-wheel drive stock mode. See what she does. All right guys, we're going to be recording this two different ways with the JL mini taser, which is what I did last time, and I also now have the Draggy Pro system. Unfortunately, my phone, it doesn't want to hold up when I turn it sideways, so it's going to have to be in its portrait mode here to record this. So let's go through the taser here and get this switched over. So there it is, guys. We're going to do 2 runs, but there's a little too much traffic out here today, and right behind us there's a motorcycle training class. But that one run, 4-wheel drive, same setup. Just as Forge 4x4 said in their video, when they were running it against the TRX, they couldn't get traction. 4-wheel drive, when I launched it, you could hear all 4 tires turn over. And it still, I thought it would get like a half a second difference. But it shaved over a second off of it. So the Draggy, whatever you pronounce it, it picked up a 5.19 second in the 0 to 60, and the JL mini taser, which is what we used last time, picked up a 5.26. So it's all GPS. So I go in the middle, 5.22, 5.23 as an average. But that was with a not the greatest launch. Turn their tires over. Sure, you could probably knock off a little bit more off of that and probably get it down around the, I'd say probably a 5.1 range. But overall, I mean, more than what I expected. And I was going to do a burnout for you guys too, but I put it in 2-wheel drive and it was turning the tires over, but the brakes wouldn't hold the front of the Jeep. I kept pushing it forward, so maybe we'll try it again some other day. But these big mud tires are grabbing on this pavement pretty good, even though it was turning them. It just wasn't keeping the Jeep still, and I didn't want to do anything like revving it up and slamming it, do anything like that, because I didn't want to take a chance, because I still have stock axles and all that on here, and I didn't want to pop a U-joint or a drive shaft or something in here, be stuck out here on the road. But maybe at a later date when I get the axles done, we'll give it a shot. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Have a good day.